This is the Mount Nelson signal station, which is located not far from the centre of the city of Hobart, and originally established in 1811 to signal to the port when ships were arriving and other such things of that day. It is a pretty good vantage point to come if you want to look at the scenery and the surrounds of Hobart, because we can see a pretty fair way, which is probably not going to show up very well on video. But yeah, this house here was built in 1910, with the actual location being established in 1811 by Governor Macquarie, who, as you can see, or sort of, you can see pretty much down to the end of that's South Arm, etc., down that way, and then you get to like Howden and Howrah, etc., but it's a pretty good panoramic view, so you can see the layout of harbour itself. So anyway, sorry, it's pretty like the view's pretty like disappointing on video, but yeah, if you come here, of course, it'll be a lot better.